Meaning of indefensible.
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 Indefensible. The word indefensible refers to something that can't be justified or defended, usually because it is morally unacceptable or logically flawed. It implies that no argument or excuse can make the action or behavior acceptable. When something is deemed indefensible, it is commonly criticized and condemned by society. For instance, a corporation's decision to dump toxic waste into a river is indefensible due to its destructive impact on the environment and public health. Overall, the term indefensible reflects a severe level of disapproval and an inability to defend one's actions or beliefs.